today we will discuss about how to install Git in Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Windows 11 in Windows operating system. So there are some steps are there which need to be followed to install the Git. So through that Git you have to clone, or you have to run Git command, and you can clone, push, changes the code, and push the changes from the local to repository to local. You can clone, and whatever you want you do the clone, or you have Git clone. So if your terminal you don't have installed any Git, then open cmd and check Git is there or not. So git hyphen version, git hyphen version. So if you do here, so that it is not internal and external command, means you have to install the Git. So how you will do that? You click on this link gitscm.com. in that you have to see like download for the window. So this is the latest release 2.4.10. Click on this, whatever the bit you have in Windows setup, 64-bit or 30-bit. I'm going for this 64-bit, and then click on this. After that you'll get it here. This gits.exe file is downloaded. Once this will be downloaded, then we will follow this step which is there in this documentation. So I'll share this documentation file to this description. I'll share this documentation file link in the description. So once you'll download it, then click on that and this UI page will come. There you have next, and then you have to do this path, then do next, and then by default then next, and then git next, then after that next you have to do, then SSH, open SSH, and then use the open SSH, check out this one, and then use this mini TTY, the behavior default for what, git credentials manager, then enable this file system caching, and after that install. So once you click in install, then this will be installed, and after that you will be able to access this git bash. So launch this git bash, finish, and then once you'll do the git version, then you'll see like what type of git version you install, and then after that you can configure. So we'll see how we are doing. So this is still downloading, so I'll check after the downloaded path. So taking some time. So once this will be downloaded, we will install after that this configuration Git. So that configuration with you have to do the configuration with your git config -- global username, your name, your email ID, so that whatever the changes, whatever the things you will be do the operation in that git by using git bash, then that will be recorded in the sense like while you are cloning Git from this repository server to local or local to server, then this will be stored like this. Users has modified the changes, or they have cloned this code, they have pushed the changes from local to server, like that. So that will be, anyone can understand, oh, this person has done this and all, like this. So this is the git bash has installed, downloaded. Now I have installed. So click on this for this permission, and after that next you do next, then this all will be by default. You have to do next, then next. Open SSH is there, open SSH library is there, checkout window style is there, window entity is there, default is there, it enable install. So once you click on install, this settings will be installed, and after that installation, that finish button will come. You have to click on that and close this, and then open this git bash command, and then check git version, whatever you have installed is there or not. Yeah, so this is there, this completed and click. Then after that this release note restrictions came. To check here git. So this git bash is there, UI is GUI also there, CMD is there, and this is the file which I have installed. So if we click here git bash, so this git bash git hyphen version. So this is the latest version 2.41.0 I install. In there also you can check git GUI also will be. So that git GUI, through that GUI you have to, they will provide the graphic interface. Share, you have to create a repository, clone the repository from existing repository, open existing repository like that, and you can connect from the repository from local to server to this. And we have multiple git command as there, so that if you use this git command, then easily you have to do the operation. So this is the git command mostly which we are using on daily basis, like git init, which will be initialize your local repo. Git difference, what are the different changes you have done. Git status, what are the modified changes. Git add, you need to add the changes. Git add file, the file name based on the file. Git add star means all the changes will be added. Git commit -a, then you have to commit -a with the Jira name and description. Git commit means commit this changes. Git commit amend means changes the last commit, change the last commit. Git logs will show the logs history. Git checkout branch means switch from the branch. Git branch new means create a new branch. Git branch -d branch means delete the branch. Git fetch remote means fetch all the branches from remote repo. Git pull remote branch means you have to pull from this remote branches. Git remote branch, you have to commit the changes, and then the remote. Git merge the specified branch into the current branch. Revise your head into the specified branch. Revert, create a new commit and revert the specified commit. Like that, we have multiple git command is there. Now you can process here by using git GUI, git bash, and all. Yeah, so that's it from my side. If you want, you can subscribe my channel and let me know if any other video if you want.